Sixth bit first problem, if a equals to 3 minus 2 1 6 and b equals to 4 minus 1 2 5, so then find a b. So here a b nothing but a into b, so the product of two matrices a and b. Before doing the product of matrices a and b, we need to verify one condition, that is here the order of the matrix A is 2 by 2 and order of the matrix B is 2 by 2. When the number of columns in the first matrix is equals to number of rows in the second matrix, then the product will be possible. Otherwise, product of matrices is not possible. And what is the order of the answer matrix here? Here 2 by 2 is the order of the answer matrix. Let's see. So here first row multiply with the first column in the second matrix. So 3 into 4 plus minus 2 into 2. Next, same first row but multiply with the second column in the second matrix. 3 into minus 1 plus minus 2 into 5. Next, coming to second row, multiply with the first column. But here you should write the answer here. So 1 into 4 plus 6 into 2. Next, same second row, multiply with the second column. 1 into minus 1 plus 6 into 5. So let's simplify this. It is equals to, so here 3 4s are 12 plus minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Next, here 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus minus 2 into 5 is minus 10. Next, 1 into 4 is 4 plus 6 2s are 12. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 plus 6 5 are 30. So now the final answer is 12 plus minus 4 is 8, minus 3 plus minus 10 is minus 13, 4 plus 12 is 16, minus 1 plus 30 is 29. So the answer is 8 minus 13, 16, 29. What is its order? 2 by 2. Okay. Next, second bit A problem. If A equals to AB minus BA, B equals to AB BA, then find A into B. So here the order of the first matrix is 2 by 2 and the order of second matrix also 2 by 2. So here number of columns in the first matrix is equals to number of rows in the second matrix. So then definitely product will be possible. And the answer matrix order is here 2 by 2. So let's do that. So here first row multiply with the first column. So A into A plus B into B. Next, same first row but multiply with the second column. A into B plus B into A. Next, coming to second row multiply with the first column. Minus B into A plus A into B. Next, second row multiply with the second column. Minus B into B plus A into A. Let's simplify this. So it is equals to A into A is A square, B into B, B square, A into B is AB, B into A it is also AB, minus B into A minus AB plus A into B is AB, minus B into B minus B square plus A into A square, and its simplification is A square plus B square will come as it is. AB plus AB is 2AB, minus AB plus AB cancel, so here 0, minus B square plus A square can write as A square minus B square. So what is its order? 2 by 2. Next to B question, same here, two matrices are given, then he is asking A into B. So here the order is 2 by 2, here also order 2 by 2. Number of columns in the first matrix is equals to number of rows in the second matrix. So then product is possible. Let's do the product. So here first row with the first column, so A into A plus B into B. Next same first row but multiply with the second column, A into minus B plus B into A. Next second row multiply with the first column, minus B into A plus A into B. Second row multiply with the second column, minus B into minus B plus A into A. So let's simplify this. So it is equals to A into A is A square, B into B, B square, minus AB plus AB, minus AB plus AB. Next to minus B into minus B is B square, and A into A is A square. So let's simplify. Here A square plus B square will come as it is. Here both are cancelled. Here also same, and A square plus B square, its order is 2 by 2. Next, the third problem, he gave two matrices A and B, then he is asking find AB and BA. After finding AB and BA, what is your inference about it? Inference nothing but what can you say about these two answers? So anyhow, let's find out the two answers first of all. So here number of columns in the first matrix is equals to number of rows in the second matrix, so then product is possible. So here first of all, first row, first column, 0 into 1 plus 1 into 2. So let's simplify now. 0 into 1 is 0 plus 2, 0 minus 3, 2 plus 6, 0 minus 9. So then its simplification is 0 plus 2 is 2, minus 3, here is a 8, and here is a minus 9. Its order is 2 by 2. So next find out the BA. So number of here 2 by 2, here also 2 by 2. So number of columns in the first matrix equals to number of rows in the second matrix. So product is possible. So then first row, first column, 1 into 0 plus 0 into 2. Next first row, second column, 1 into 1 plus 0 into 3. So now the answer is 1 into 0, 0 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 0 minus 6, 2 minus 9. So then 0 plus 0, 0, here 1 minus 6, so here is a minus 7. So after finding the AB and BA values, what can you say about these two results? So here AB is not equals to BA. Sixth bit, fourth problem, A equals to 2002, B equals to PQRS, then find AB. So here the first matrix order is 2 by 2 and second matrix order also 2 by 2. Number of columns in the first matrix equals to number of rows in the second matrix, so then product is possible, and the order of the answer matrix is 2 by 2. So let's do the multiplication now. Here the first row, first column, 2 into P plus 0 into R. Next first row, second column, 2 into Q plus 0 into S. Next second row, first column, 0 into P plus 2 into R. Next second row, second column, 0 into Q plus 2 into S. Now let's simplify. 2 into P is 2P, 0 into R is 0, 2 into Q 2Q, 0, 0, 2R, 0, 2S. So the final answer is 2P, 2Q, 2R, 2S, and its order is 2 by 2.